Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Tasina, and today I am bringing you along for a regular day in my life here in Finland. I thought it would be fun to share what I get up to, from cooking at home to taking a peaceful walk to trying some Finnish fast food and ending the day with one of my all time favorite dinners. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's spend the day together. First things first, breakfast. Today, I felt like making something warm and hearty, so I decided on a simple chicken stew with brown bread toast. I started by chopping up some onions, garlic, and fresh herbs. I love the smell of garlic sizzling in the pan. It instantly makes the kitchen feel cozy. Once the onions softened, I added the chicken pieces and let them brown slightly before adding in some carrots, potatoes, and just a bit of seasoning. I kept it simple but flavorful, letting it simmer slowly so the flavors could come together. While that was cooking, I toasted some slices of brown bread, crispy on the outside but still soft in the middle. And there's the final breakfast, warm, comforting, and exactly what I needed to start the day. Honestly, I could eat this every morning. After breakfast, I was feeling a little meh. You know, those days when you are just not in the best mood? So I decided to step outside for some fresh air. There's a beautiful park near where I live. It's popular with the people who come here to walk, jog, or just sit and enjoy nature. The park has a few different trails, and I decided to just wander and see where I ended up. The sound of leaves crunching under my feet, the cool breeze, it's such a peaceful escape from everything. Then I reached one of my favorite spots, a small pond that's home to a lot of ducks. They were just swimming around, completely unbothered, living their best life. I stood there for a while just watching them. There's something about ducks that weirdly calming. It's moments like these that make me really appreciate living in Finland. Even on days when I feel low, nature always has a way of making things better. By the time I got back home, I was starting to feel a little bit hungry again, and I didn't feel like cooking this time. So I ordered from Hesburger, which is a popular Finnish fast food chain. I went for a beef burger, fries, chicken nuggets, and a smoothie. Basically, a little bit of everything. The burger was good, juicy, and flavorful. But honestly, the star of the meal was the chicken nuggets. They tasted different from any nuggets I've ever had before. Really crispy on the outside, tender inside, and the seasoning was spot on. I could have easily eaten another box. The smoothie was a nice, refreshing way to finish the meal. Definitely hit the spot. For dinner, I wanted something special. So I made beef biryani. It's a bit of a process, but it's worth it every time. First, I cooked the beef slowly with the spices until it was tender and full of flavor. In another pot, I boiled the rice until it was just cooked. You don't want it too soft because it'll finish cooking later. Then came my favorite part, layering. I spread a layer of rice, then beef, then added slices of lemon, caramelized onions, and tomatoes. Then another layer of rice on top. I covered it and let it sit on the stove for a while so all the flavors could mix together. The smell filled the whole kitchen, and by the time it was ready, I was more than ready to dig in. And that's how I wrapped up my day. A peaceful evening, delicious food, and feeling a little more content than I started. Thanks so much for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.